Now we have a small segment where
Okay.
I'll test your. You both are filmy kidas.
Yeah, but
I-
my filmy
Fully.
GK is very bad.
I think this is
My
not
general GK is better,
better.
which doesn't say much.
We'll try.
Yeah.
I think I'll help you with the
Yeah.
hints. Okay, so it's a filmy quiz on comedy films.
Okay.
So I'll
Okay.
tell you dialogues. You have to guess कौन से film का है, and अगर उसका short memory है, so you can just give that short
Okay.
memory of that film.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one. मैं मॉडर्न जमाने का कुत्ता हूँ, एकदम लेटेस्ट.
This is.
Is this Akshay Kumar's dialogue?
No.
No,
Govinda?
no,
Salman Khan.
yes.
From No Entry? नहीं नहीं.
Wanted?
No.
No, not Wanted.
मैं
This is a comedy. Ready.
Yes.
Ready. Anees Bhai's film. Yeah.
Yes. Any memories you have with that one?
Yeah. I remember watching that in the theater and loving it. कोई तो रोक लो वो dialogue था ना उसमें.
Yes.
And the whole amazing. Sudesh sir was also
Yes.
amazing in that.
Yeah.
He was damn good in that film.
Okay, the second one, 1-0. Okay, the second one, I'll give you a hint once
yeah.
I think he'll be able to guess it easily, but ठीक है. अच्छा खासा रणबीर कपूर मिल रहा था, लेकिन उसके किस्मत में तो शक्ति कपूर ही लिखा था. You don't say this. This is a dialogue from Varun's film.
मैं तेरा हीरो.
Yes.
Yeah.
मैं तेरा हीरो.
Any memories? You must have seen it much before becoming an.
Yeah, I was very. I don't want to say, but yeah, I had a lot of memories.
So ये कैसी acting है?
No,
ऐसे
I
कौन
really
acting
enjoyed the film. Actually, I have more memories watching Judwa in the theater, which ironically also released on the 2nd of October, right?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
I remember watching that film with mom and dad, and I remember mom was actually awestruck by him. He was like, he's got so much energy, he's so fresh, oh my god, and she was thrilled, and even I was like, wow.
I remember meeting your mom after that, and
What did she
I was like, oh my god, the heroine of Chalbaz is telling me this,
Yeah.
because that's one of my favorite films. Like
Chalbaz
because,
is iconic.
because I'd seen that film a lot when I was doing Judwa and I was prepping. My father had told me that please study Sridevi's performance for this, because that's the best double role you can do.
Yeah.
The yin and the yang and the opposites. See the way she's played it.
Yeah.
I still remember there was one Ganesh ka song, na?
Yes.
Ganesh
Yeah.
Chaturthi ka song, and I
Ganpati
remember there's
Bappa Moria.
you turn around and you had like longish hair,
Yeah,
and I
long
remember
hair.
in that take, mom was like, "He's so fresh," and I don't know what she was trying to say with fresh, like you were looking fresh, but she was just very happy, and I remember me and her were like, "Oh my god."
She loved comedy.
She
right?
loved
Yeah.
comedy. She loved
So
animated
good in
movies.
comedy.
Yeah.
She was.
Okay, the next one. I am a graduate from ITUS. इसका
अक्षय
full.
कुमार आवारा पागल आवारा हुए दीवाने वही
No.
ये रिमी सेन को बोलते हैं ना.
नहीं.
Finish the dialogue.
हाँ.
I am a graduate from ITUS. The सामने वाला character ask, इसका full form, इसकी टोपी उसके सर.
I don't know. I've not seen this film for sure.
No, you have seen this. I'm very sure.
हेरा फेरी
फिर हेरा फेरी.
हाँ, फिर हेरा
फिर
फेरी.
हेरा
एक और है ना
फेरी.
where he
I was
says
a
I'm from
baby
that
when I've
Oxford
seen
dictionary.
Yes, that is from
I got
Avara
a degree
Pagal.
from Oxford dictionary.
That is Avara Pagal Divana. No, दीवाने हुए पागल.
दीवाने हुए पागल. हाँ, the
Yes.
second one. दीवाने हुए पागल.
These films were something
Else only.
else only. Okay, and this is one of my favorite films of all time. जो चाचा है
वही भतीजा है और जो चचा है वही भतीजा है जो भतीजा है वही चचा है.
Because I was like a toddler when I saw all of these
हसीना
movies.
मान जाएगी.
yes, that
That's
is you should
insane,
rewatch
insane.
if you rewatch it even
I should
today
rewatch it because I was like not.
No, हसीना मान जाएगी you lose.
you
it.
will
Really?
it's
It's a very funny
outstanding.
film.
It's a very funny film.
Yeah, it's very funny.
Yeah. It's one of my favorite films
Same,
made by
same.
David sir.
Same.
So yes, and two more now.
Okay.
Now you have to guess the film name based on the plot that I'm telling you.
Okay.
A woman dies and tells her preteen daughter to reunite her father.
कुछ होता है.
Okay.
हाँ. Sorry. Yeah, कुछ होता है.
Okay, the next one. Three roommates go on a weird adventure when they receive a
Zindagi Na-
call.
Oh, when they receive
No,
a call.
When they
roommates.
receive a call which is not meant for them.
Huh?
3 roommates.
Yes. Go on a weird adventure.
हेरा फेरी.
Yes.
Oh,
They're roommates.
Yes.
oh yeah.
You're thinking of some teenagers.
Yeah, I was thinking in that phase. You've picked a segment of
90s.
Yeah, that I'm not very familiar
Okay,
with.
I'll say the next one.
I can think you can ask me about 50s, 60s, 70s or post 2005.
Okay, so this is post 2005 now. A drama that is narrated by a dog and
दिल धड़कने दो.
Yeah. I knew it.
No.
I just wanted to give you the respect of finishing the sentence.
The minute he said dog is narrating, Amir sir did his voice over.
yes,
Oh yeah.
a husband falls for a supermodel, leaving behind.
Leaving one.
Yes,
Again, you've gone.
but this
It's not about going. It's just these films are there now. Abhi hai.
yeah, these are all iconic films.
Yeah, I
Okay,
need
the
to
last one.
refresh my memory.
The last one. This is after 2005.
I'm at 0, by the way.
I know. The last one. Okay, this you should win. 3 men are forced to pursue a college course they aren't really interested in.
3 Idiots.
Yes.
Super.
So 1 and I think 10.
Yeah. But I think my one counts for like. What was the box office number of 3 Idiots? Like 100
202.
million thousand.
No.
202.
So that is my. Those are my points. So
100 million thousand. That's what you get. I hope we make 100 million thousand.
Dollars.
Dollars.
yeah, can you imagine?
Dollar में कमाएंगे.
And before we sign off, last thing that you want to tell about Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari to all the viewers who are going to watch this.
यही कि ना रहा मोहब्बत पे किसी का काबू, ना रहा मोहब्बत पे किसी का काबू, पक चिकपक राजा बाबू.
October 2nd को आइएगा इस फैमिली एंटरटेनर को देखेगा, बहुत मजा आएगा.
और हो जाइए बेकाबू. प्लीज कम वॉच द फिल्म. इट्स अ वेरी फन फिल्म. बहुत मजा आएगा आप लोगों को. प्लीज देखिए. हिमेश के लिए देखिए. उसकी ये आखिरी इंटरव्यू है. आर यू
और
रिव्यूइंग द
उसकी
फिल्म?
आखिरी इच्छा है कि आप
You can't review the film.
No.
He
No,
can't
I
even
think you
review the
should
film.
review.
इंटरव्यू क्यों किया हम लोग ने then?
How can
Yeah, you
you
can't.
know?
Yeah.
लेकिन से मेरी आखिरी इंटरव्यू में मेरी आखिरी इच्छा है कि आप सब
पर बोल दो अच्छा है. वो तो बोल दो.
पर वो मैं देख
पसंद आ
के
रहा है, मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, मतलब
How
trailers-
will you say but then अगर तुम रिव्यू नहीं कर सकते?
नो जस्ट ट्वीट.
trailers देख के जो कल वाला promo था, that is also very funny.
No, but
That is
you can post still now.
No, you
Who's
can't.
stopping you?
Can you
Why
post your opinion?
I don't know.
Why
I have to
not?
check.
You're not like
I
in
can
jail.
post. I think I can post if I like it. Yeah.
I think you will have to post.
Now you better post
Yeah, he has to post now.
from your villa. Leaving Pink Villa and joining Villa.
How I wish.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, guys.
Best of luck, Imesh.
Thank you
And
so much.
congratulations.
Best of luck,
Thank you so
Henzo.
much. Thank you so much. It
Thank
was lovely speaking to two of you. So that's me signing off. Thank you for all your love and feedback. See you soon.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.